Sri Gurubhyo Namah, Sri Acharya Guru. Welcome to Amritangam Videos, episode number 2261. Here I am going to present you an interesting pattern. Mora Mukta Mukupin, Tisragati Ayatalam. This Mora set to 96 Kriyas and Mukta set to 48 Kriyas each. Hope you'll enjoy my non-stop videos. There is some varieties of Mora Mukta Mukuts in various talas without repeating any idea pattern so far since last 2260. You can log on to my YouTube channel, Dr. P. Srinivas Gopalan at Shama Shastri Jayanti to find in all my videos in that. Let me demonstrate today's Mora for you. Jumta 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 ditta taku dinna dittangra jumta 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 ditta taku dinna tangra tantagunta tantagunta jumta 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 ditta taku dinna dittangra jumta 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 ditta taku dinna dittangra tantagunta tantagunta jumta 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 ditta taku dinna dittangra jumta 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 ditta taku dinna dittangra tantagunta jumta 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 ditta taku dinna dittangra tantagunta jumta jumta ditta dinna dittangra tantagunta jumta jumta ditta taku dinna jumta 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 ditta taku dinna jumta jumta ditta taku dinna tadinkitaku tanku takata takata dhinkitaku tanku takadinkitaku jumta jumta ditta taku dinna tanku jumta ditta taku dinna tanku jumta taku dinna tanku tadimkitaku takada dhimkitaku takada dhimkitaku tanku dhimkitaku jumta ditta dinna jumta ditta taku dinna jumta ditta taku dinna jumta dekitaku tanku takata takata jumta dekitaku tanku takadikuta jumta dekitaku jumta taditta taku dinna tajengu jumta ditta taku dinna tajengu jumta ditta taku dinna. Hope you like this.